What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a cable curl. And this is the cable curl. Let's go ahead and take a look at the posture. The feet should be flat on the ground while slightly leaning back at a 30-degree angle, and the arms should be hugged tight to the torso. Diving a little bit deeper into the feet placement, they should be staggered in order to maximize balance. In order to isolate the biceps, the elbows should be hugged tight to the hip. And the primary target of this exercise, the bicep brachii, or more specifically, the short head. Please stop doing this. All that excessive swaying, the waist is too heavy. Just lower the weight, please. This variation targets the long head of the bicep while focusing on the engagement of the core. And pay close attention to the posture here. It's going to be different than the original cable curl. Biceps. And one of my favorite variations to target the brachialis of the bicep, the crossbody cable curl. And lastly, the posture for the crossbody cable curl. Alright, fam, and that's how you do a cable curl. Until next time.